Unlock Your Future, a step-by-step guide for how to successfully apply for a work permit in USA. Applying for a work permit in the USA involves several steps, and the specific process can vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and your individual circumstances. Here's a general step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Determine the type of visa you need. Employment-based non-immigrant visas. If you are seeking temporary work, you might need a visa like the H-1B Specialty Occupations, L-1, Intra-company Transferee, or O-1, Extraordinary Ability. Employment-based immigrant visas. If you're looking for permanent work, you might be interested in visas such as the EB-2 or EB-3. Other visas. Consider other visa categories if applicable, such as the E2, Investor or TN, or Canadian and Mexican citizens under NAFTA. 2. Secure a job offer. Find an employer. You need a job offer from a U.S. employer who is willing to sponsor you for a work visa. Verify employer eligibility. Ensure your employer is eligible to sponsor foreign workers for the specific visa you need. 3. Employer files a petition. Petition filing. For most work visas, your employer must file a petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services or USCIS. This involves filling out forms such as Form I-129 for non-immigrant workers or Form I-140 for immigrant workers. Supporting documents. The employer will need to submit supporting documents such as a job offer letter, proof of the company's ability to pay your salary, and evidence of your qualifications. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 4. Receive a Notice of Action. Form I-797. Once USCIS receives the petition, they will send a Notice of Action, Form I-797, to your employer acknowledging receipt and processing of the petition. 5. Wait for petition approval. Processing time. USCIS will process the petition, which can take several months. The processing time varies depending on the type of visa and the service center handling the petition. Approval Notice. If USCIS approves the petition, you will receive an approval notice, Form I-797, from your employer. 6. Apply for a visa at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Complete Form DS-160. Fill out the online non-immigrant visa application, Form DS-160, and pay the application fee. Schedule a visa interview. Contact the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in your home country to schedule an interview. Gather documents. Prepare the required documents for your visa interview, which typically include a valid passport, Form DS-160 confirmation page, visa application fee receipt, Form I-797, petition approval notice, Form I-129 if applicable, job offer letter, proof of qualification, passport size photographs. Schedule a visa interview. Contact the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in your home country to schedule an interview. 7. Attend the visa interview. Interview. Attend the visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Be prepared to answer questions about your job, qualifications, and the purpose of your visit. Fingerprinting. You may be required to provide biometric information, fingerprints, during the interview. 8. Visa issuance. Visa processing. If your visa is approved, it will be processed and added to your passport. Processing times vary. Receive your visa. You will be notified when your visa is ready for pickup. 9. Travel to the U.S. Arrival. Upon arrival in the U.S., present your visa and supporting documents to the Customs and Border Protection or CBP officer at the port of entry. Work authorization. The CBP officer will review your documents and if everything is in order, admit you to the U.S. on the basis of your work visa. 10. Start working. Compliance. Adhere to the terms of your visa and employment. Ensure that you maintain valid status by complying with the visa regulations. Additional tips: consult an immigration attorney. Consider seeking legal advice to navigate the complex immigration laws and ensure that you are meeting all requirements. Keep track of deadlines. Monitor expiration dates and renewal deadlines to maintain continuous work authorization. Stay informed. Immigration policies and procedures can change. To stay informed about any updates that might affect your application, following these steps will help ensure a smoother application process for your U.S. work permit. Wow, what an incredible journey we've had today! If you found this guide helpful, remember, each step in your work permit application is a step towards turning your dreams into reality. Believe in your magic and let that sparkle guide you through every challenge. Your adventure is just beginning, and with determination and positivity, there is no limit to what you can achieve. As you prepare to embark on this new chapter, keep this in mind. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more enchanted content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of magic. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, no matter where you are in your process, you are already a step closer to your dreams. Keep shining, stay positive, and let your magic unfold. Keep the sparkle alive and keep believing in your dreams.